I don't really have anything going here. Oh, there's something.
It depends on how much usage of our ventilators, our ICUs, and our hospitals we see, where it is on that process, and the flattening of the number of cases. The number of cases that are reported in a geographic area, maybe the state of Pennsylvania, maybe the city of Philadelphia, maybe the city of New York, maybe St. Louis. What's happening in that local state, city, or region with the number of cases when they start to flatten and you start to see less cases instead of more? That's what we're looking for.
We feel really lucky that we live here on the farm. We live a lifestyle that isn't rich by any means, but we are safe and healthy, and we live what I would call a resilient lifestyle. We're set up to handle things like coronavirus or a pandemic that comes through and shuts everything down. And it kind of just goes to show you how fragile our socioeconomic system really is. When something like this happens, everything shuts down, and when people are panicking, it just proves a point that we really should start focusing more on local communities and food producers and strengthening our core. It would be refreshing for me to see the world fall back onto some of those older forms of trade and barter and kind of get away from this economic system that we've been a part of for so long. I think it's very unsustainable. Yeah, those are my thoughts. I'm just kind of freewheeling some thoughts to you.
A few weeks later.
Dang, show me that.
Coming out.
Out of the bottom, huh? Cool. What can you tell us about what you have going on here?
So these are nasturtiums.
Nasturtiums?
And this is also nasturtium mixed in with the black-eyed Susan vine. These are cardinal climbers. These are timeless mix. These are cosmos. These are cathedral bells. It's a vine with a purple flower. These are calendulas. Mexican mint marigolds. It's like called Sal Piglossi or something. Celosia, California bluebells, Victoria blue, basil, zinnias. This zinnia, this zinnia, that zinnia, that zinnia. These are dahlias, marigolds, 4 o'clocks, poppies or California poppies, alyssum, and then these are more black-eyed Susan vine, just a different color.
And you planted all these, correct?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Raw asparagus is one of my favorites. So good. Oh, wow. Crows and hawks and kestrels. Ooh. The chickens are all out here just going banana-rama.
Why are you following me? Why?
Scratchy doodles.
Like a hummingbird at the feeder.
This is the real Modoc harvest, y'all. The cow abduction by the aliens. It was kind of a jokey logo that I first came up with. Well, when we were first developing the barn and the classic Modoc harvest logo you may know and love. We're doing a fencing project. I just hung a new gate. We got a trench in the ground up to the upper garden. We're gonna put some water lines and electrical in. I have completed the one line of fencing out beyond the garden fence there. You can see her there, just straight as an arrow. I'm waiting on fencing now. We're gonna go with a sheep and goat 4x4, 48-inch tall. We want the option to be able to put the goats out there at some point. I'm planning on doing a char operation on the bottom 36 inches of these that are going in the ground, and I wanted to send Lawrence Smith a big shout out and a thumbs up. Thank you, Lawrence. I appreciate the comments. And he gave me that idea. He said, you know, I've been doing fencing right now and I'm charring the bottoms of my posts with a propane weed torch. This like 20-foot mega pole and some other garden posts out here I've charred in the past, and they seem to hold up really well. And I ran out of that rolled roofing sticky paper I was using on the first run, so I thought, what a great plan. Let's char these up and we'll turn the whole fencing project into kind of this ongoing experiment as to which treatment works the best on fence poles. If you like this content, please consider hitting the thumbs up and joining the farm fam by hitting the subscribe button down below. Apple trees starting to leaf out. Pear trees over here leafing, awesome. Starting to make some nice buds. This is cranberry crane. I don't know if I've ever introduced you to cranberry. We have a new gate. Here's the gatekeeper, Myers, doing his thing. We have new water line and electrical conduit going in to this trench, which is going to service this upper garden. So we're gonna have 2 hydrants, one here and one at the top, as soon as the hydrants get here, which should be today. All right, team, that is the update on all the happenings around the farm. I hope you enjoyed this little update. I wanted to thank all of you new subscribers and old subscribers. Can't wait to make more videos for you. Hope you really enjoy them. If you do, give it a thumbs up and consider joining the farm fam by hitting that subscribe button down below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Shaka!